Yo, what's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and on today's video we are going to be showing you guys how to install your Yoshi exhaust on your Can-Am Outlander. It's very simple. It takes like 10 minutes maybe. It's a couple bolts, and I'm going to show you guys which bolts and how to take it off and go from there. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'll show you guys where the bolts are. You don't got to take off any plastics or anything like that. It's pretty easy going, and you only need a couple wrenches. You need I think you need a 10 mil, 15 mil, and a 13 mil, and you're good to go. And first things first, you're gonna get, when you get a Yoshi, you're gonna get one of these parts, and you're thinking, where does that go? It actually goes right up here on the top, so it's kind of like this. And yeah, basically just gonna toss that on with the nut and bolt, and simple as that. I'll show you guys what that looks like when that's installed. So yeah, all you need to install that last piece there, all you need to do, a wrench and a socket, and you're good to go. So let's get right into it. I'll show you guys where your nuts and bolts there, what you have to do. So anyways, up first we got one. So first one that we have up here, so there's one here. This connects to the main exhaust, and it's this is a 15 mil that's over here. So that's one there. Then there's one that's right up here. I don't know if you guys can see that one there, to get rid of that one. And then there's probably, I never reconnect it because I take this exhaust off quite a bit, but so I take this exhaust off quite a bit. So there should be another one. It's hidden, and it's right here. This one you don't really have to ever put back in. I never did, and it doesn't rattle or anything. Then you got one right here, and yeah, that's a 10 mil there, 13 mil up top, and that's it. So basically we're gonna go from there and start just popping it off, and yeah, let's get into it. Is this one right up here? This is one I like to take off first. I don't know why, I just do it. But anyways, we're gonna take this one off here first. All you need is a 13 mil wrench and a 13 mil socket, and you don't need the extender, so we'll do it without the extender. Sometimes people think it's easier without it, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So you're just gonna take your 15 mil and shove it back here. Get that hooked on. Maybe not. Maybe we gotta do it the other way. And then yeah, let's just oh yeah, just like that. There we go. Go. There's a big old washer there that goes on the end. Oh, can't get to see get the nut. But anyways, we'll go to the next one here. We'll go to this one here. So the one that's down here is a 15 mil. So I would use a socket or an extender here for it. Makes things just a bit easier. We're just gonna put it here, just just like so. Go in, and then just came out pretty easily. Just loosen that off just a bit, and that should be loose there. Now we're gonna go to the next one. So the one that we're gonna go get is right here, and basically just got your 10 mil socket. Might want to put it on the right way. And you got your 10 mil wrench. You can just shove that right up there, and just kind of. All right, try this. There we go. Oh, yeah. Just wiggle that out. Might come out right easily. Pop that off. We're going to use that later, so that's fine. Put that to the side. Let's pull off this exhaust. Just give it a couple wiggles. Boom. Just like that, we have pulled off the exhaust for the Can-Am. Now we're going to put the new one in. And remember, we put this here on this. That's not this piece on here. So that one's going to go up there, and then that bottom one is going to line up with this hole right down here. And you can adjust it. There's like, it's big enough where you can kind of move it up, wiggle it up and down. Anyways, I'll shove this in, this piece in here, and go from there. So then basically, after you put it in there, we're going to go back up top, line up these holes, line up that hole, just like so. We're going to shove that washer there on the back, and then we're going to just get your fingers up here if you can. It's a little bit tricky. Hand tight. And then what we're going to do for the bottom here, so we're going to take, have this washer plate here. You're going to put it right there. That, probably got to push that a little closer. Get that right in there. And then just like that. Easy. Like that, and now we can tighten everything down. So one, we have to get this one in here. Pretty simple, pretty easy going. I haven't tightened that one down yet. We're gonna tighten down this one up here. Very, very simple. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. We're gonna get this one all tightened down. This one tighten down, and call it that. That's all tightened. We're basically gonna just take our 10 mil there and just take our socket. Just start tightening it. So. And that's pretty sturdy there. That's all good. Let's She sounds great. So anyway, guys, that is how you install your Yoshi exhaust for your Can-Am. They are all very, very, very similar to do, and it makes the bike sound so much better, and you don't need a tuner for it. These bikes do they do run lean anyways from the factory, so you could always get a tuner anyways, and which I'm planning on doing, so we'll get that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next one, I guess.